Today we have a Defy chest freezer where one of the hinges broke. So this is the old hinge. As you can see, the top broke off over there. So you buy them in pairs. So I'm going to remove this one. It just uses 8 screws in total. So there's 4 for the top part that's got on the lid, and then there's 4 for the bottom part that's on the freezer itself. The bottom ones you can just loosen, so they stick out like that, and then you can just remove the bottom part. Top part you have to remove the screws completely. So let's do it. If you're uncertain with the drill, rather stop and use your hand to feel how tight it is, otherwise you might strip some of the thread. There you have it. One word of advice I can give you is when you buy it, it's going to be straight. As you can see, the alignment of the hinge is straight. Don't mess around with that before you put them on, because if you pull this down, it's going to jump out. There's a very strong spring inside there. It's going to jump out and you're going to get a hell of a time trying to get it back. That's what happened with that one. As you can see, it's scuffed up a little bit. It's brand new, but it's scuffed up because I messed around with the hinge, and then I basically had to step on it to get it straight. Now we've got both hinges on there. What you can do now is just make a visual inspection all around in the front and the back to see that it closes completely. So let's see, it opens. Okay, good stuff. Okay, let's quickly see the reason why they broke. This freezer is too close to the wall. So when you open up the lid, the top part of the hinge touches the wall. Don't worry about the magnet, that needs to be replaced soon. But anyways, it touches the wall and then it pivots against the wall, and it puts too much stress on this part of the hinge over here. Puts too much stress on this part of the hinge, and that's why it broke. So what we need to do is get some spaces to have this freezer a little bit further away from the wall. Okay, here we can see my highly technologically advanced system for keeping the fridge away from the wall. Let's see how it works out. Okay, so I think we're a little bit further away from the wall than the wife would like. When you open, you see there's no way it's going to touch the wall, and the hinge will stay strong for another couple of years. Thanks for watching. Koroki. Yay!